You want to design a knowledge system by using AI-based techniques. You cooperate with a domain expert, a knowledge engineer and a software engineer. You imagine a procedure which solves the complex tasks of the domain. It's possible to use a knowledge engineering technique to solve the tasks of the domain expert, the knowledge engineer and the software engineer. The domain expert is the authority in a particular realm of science. The knowledge engineer integrates knowledge into computer systems. The software developer creates the software by using a programming language. Hello universe. This is Zahra M.M.A. Sadiq. I redefined the realm of knowledge engineering and I divided the procedure into two parts. The first part is the task of the domain expert, and the second part is the task of the software engineer. The software engineer creates the software architecture and the machine learning technique. This procedure is mathematical. You use stochastic analysis, vector calculus and matrices calculation to perform the machine learning task. The domain expert defines the methodology and systematic structure of the realm of science. As a domain expert, I create the semantic network by defining the conceptual relations of the terms. I create the semantic network before I translate it into the language of mathematics and code. I systematize the methodical procedure of the domain knowledge in a logical way and reform the methodology. The technique I created is the first knowledge engineering system with a software architecture which directly translates the methodology of law and music which I created into distributed AI techniques. I'm the pioneer who introduced AI techniques into the knowledge engineering system which are the constitutive component of the system. I defined the graphs of the logical procedure in the semantic network and transformed them into the machine learning procedure. I name this system Sadiq's algorithm. It's possible to use a knowledge engineering technique to solve the tasks of the domain expert, the knowledge engineer and the software engineer. I defined the graphs of the logical procedure in the semantic network and transformed them into the machine learning procedure. I defined a knowledge engineering procedure which excludes the knowledge engineer. Please subscribe and learn how to engineer knowledge.